every framework out there is tailored to fit certain needs, right? Like you know, hammers are for nails, screwdrivers are for screws. You kind of each one has its own niche. So for example, Laravel gives you a really nice developer experience, but it has a high velocity of development, a lot of release changes. Laminas and Symfony kind of tout themselves as being focusing on stability and being enterprise ready. Some of these, like Symfony and Laminas, come with a ton of features. Laravel likes to use the phrase batteries included. It has like any sort of feature or plugin you can think of. It's already built into the default Laravel ecosystem, the native ecosystem. Like authentic, it even has it's even AI ready. It has its own AI built in if you want to leverage that. There's also frameworks that are built more to be lightweight, bare bones, like Mezzio and Slim framework, and those are obviously geared more toward building microservices and APIs, things that have to be super performant. So with each of these, there's going to be trade-offs. There's going to be pros and cons, obviously. Um, so you need to weigh all of those and make sure that the framework you're choosing lines up with the application that you have.